Hello, I'm Sean,
And I'm Saley.
and this is Commuter Tips and Tricks at Widener University. The Commuter-Student-Association, or CSA for short, is the advocacy group on campus dedicated to the campus life of commuter students.
We run various events such as Commuter Student Appreciation Week, Commuter Brunchin', Commuter Coffee Stops, and daily meetings. Even if you're a commuter, you can still get meal plans. We offer various commuter-friendly plans.
And you can use these plans for not just the Pride Cafe, but also the many different locations all around campus. Welcome to Melrose Lounge, also known as The Garage, commuter-specific lounge on campus. This is the home to the Commuter Student Association.
The garage is a perfect place to warm up your food, grab some coffee, print your papers, or a perfect place to study. The garage isn't the only place commuters can hang out.
We have here the Pride Den also in the UC, but then we also have lounges all across campus. There are also lockers that commuter students can rent to store anything they would need on campus. If you're driving to campus, you'll need to find a place to park. There are a number of parking lots all across campus.
Your two best options are Spang and Kirkbride, and pro tip, arrive early so you don't miss your class. If you're not driving to campus, we have two SEPTA bus routes that come through campus.
And these two SEPTA bus routes can quickly connect you to anywhere you want to go in the greater Philadelphia area. We also have a SEPTA regional rail station just a short drive from campus. For any more information, look at the link below.
If you're looking for resources or more information about CSA, you can check the website down below.